Now, mainit na ang mantika. Magluluto na tayo ng sibuyas muna. Pinainit na yung mantika. Wow. Kasi, ang lutuin natin ay sarsyadong isda. Yung pinilito ng isda din na. So, yung sarsyado na lang natin. Kasi medyo marami. Ito yun, no? Fish. Ngayon. Now, maglagay tayo ng buwan. Sana guys, sa kalang natin. Okay na yan. Ito yung pampalasa ko, patis, fish sauce. Lagyan natin. Antayin natin kumuling, syempre. Kaya takpan natin, pakuliin. Kumulo na. Ilagay na natin ang init. Ayan, nilaglag ko na yung egg. Finished product.
Sa mga halagang presyo sa bansa, kasama ang mga kinatawan ng mga ahensya.
Aking foodie. Ayan na. Kain. Kain tayo. Tama lang ang asin.
Beautiful on the timing. Very good start there for Canada. Good execution as well. Canada have never medalled in a men's synchro event at an Olympic Games, but more of a start from them. Keeping that beautiful line for the entries. These scores are going to be good.
Nines across the board for the Canadians, 53.4 the score. Excellent start for the Canadian pair. And now another highly anticipated pairing.
Leftover kahapon. Pinirito ko to. Maya-maya to ba, no?
Forward dive in the pike position.
Beautiful. They look like they had so much time. They're very fluid diving. They pike for a long time before reaching those legs up.
Pang ano yan eh, pang sahog. Pang sahog.
Look at the timing there. Incredible diving.
Parang ganun, no?
Execution, fantastic. Synchronization to match.
Excellent start for Diana Yang, and that's reflected in the scores. 56.4, including the first 10 of the competition, discarded. Highs and low scores discarded, but fantastic start for Team China. So one round complete. Here's Lian and Yang of China leading the table. This program is brought to you by...
Pag nagkasakit ka, sino lang bubuhay sa kanila? Bago ka pa magkasakit, mag-MWell. Sa MWell, hindi lang konsulta. Ito ay all-in-one health and wellness app para sa iyong kalusugan, nutrition, at fitness.
See some of the
Sabaw
great
tayo,
written
sabaw.
support. Team Daily t-shirts.
Na may egg.
Now Canada. Weems and Zombor Murray, their dive, a back dive in the fight position.
Ano?
Ready? One, two, three, go.
Today, execution very strong indeed. I'm hoping to certainly get more than 50 on that one. You can see quite a lot of strapping on their wrists and actually extra support as well. The speed that they're entering the water, around 25 miles an hour, puts an awful lot of pressure on the arms and the wrists as well. So a bit of extra protection needed there. Both at their second Olympics, Nathan got a 5th place in Tokyo with Vincent Renju.
51.6 their score, 105 their total. And first place early in round 2. 8 teams competing. Now Ukraine. Olu and Sarada, their dive, a reverse dive in the fight position.